Here we have a common issue that you find after having one of these inflatables for quite some time. You can see the entrance to this obstacle course has started to tear on these covers. These covers are specifically made in place here to anticipate this issue, knowing that over time as kids crawl through the inflatable, the stress and the wear that it causes will eventually cause these covers to tear. But the good thing about the situation is because these covers were here, the inflatable itself isn't damaged. The material underneath these covers is not torn and worn. And so this is going to be a much cheaper repair than it would be if these covers weren't here and the actual Moonwalk had to be replaced. So we're just going to remove these Velcro flat covers. We're going to replicate them and put new ones on. And if you have a situation like this with your inflatable, you can take the covers off yourself and ship them to us, and then we can replicate the new ones and ship them back to you without you ever having to bring the inflatable to us. And we'll show you what the new covers look like when they're done. Here's what the new covers look like. We've replicated them and put the new covers onto the obstacle course. So now that they're brand new and covering these entrances, the customer shouldn't have any issues for a long time with kids climbing in and out of it. But if many years down the road, if the issue comes up again, these areas can just be replaced. And that's why it's so important to use these covers, because it makes it much easier and cheaper for these areas to be repaired in the long run. And so if you want any more information on getting covers on your inflatable repaired, climb blankets, slide blankets, or anything like that, be sure to look at all the information on our website.